So for our question here, it says a company advertises on a website. A worker tracked the number of visits to the website and the number of clicks on the advertisement. The table shows the data for several days. A linear function can be used to model the data. So it gives us the number of visits to the website here, and then it gives us the number of clicks on advertisement Y. It says based on the table, what is the best prediction of the number of clicks on the advertisement if 15,000 people visit the website? So in order to work something like this out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to my calculator and I'm going to plug in those values. So I went to stat and I'm going to go to number 1. I want to edit. And what I'm doing here is I'm going to put in the list of values we were given. So I was given 153, 629, 914, 307, 1045, 510, 1106. Then I'm going to come over to my Y values, which is my second list, and I'm going to put in the matching values. So 14, 38, 30, 53, 21, 60. It looks like I messed up here, so let me double check. Oh, so 914 actually goes with 53, 21, 60, 32, 63. Now that I have my list in here, if you notice, I just put in the list that was right here. So I put in all the corresponding values. So now that I have my list in my calculator, I can hit stat, and I'm going to move over to calculate. And it told us this was a linear equation. So I'm going to hit number 4 for a linear regression. I want it to use list 1 for my X, list 2 for my Y, and then I just hit enter all the way down here to calculate. When I do this, it gives me my value for A and my value for B. So my value for A is 0.051934, and then I have my value for B is 5.594. So if I come over here, I know, based on what it tells me, if my equation is y equals ax plus b, and it said y equals a, and it told us a was 0.0519x plus b, which is 5.54. And this is our equation based on what the calculator gave us for that linear regression. All I did was plug in these values for A and B. Now that I have this right here, we need to know if 15,000 people visit the website. Well, that's my X value. So what I can do, 1,500. What I can do is go over to my calculator and I can plug in this equation. So I know that it was, my A value was 0.0519. My X value is 1,500. And then I'm going to do plus B, which was 5.59. So this tells me it's approximately 83.44 people. So when I go to look at my answers, I want to find the one that is closest to 83, which would be this one right here, H. So you're using your calculator to write that linear regression, and then from there using the values for A and B so that you can plug in the X value.